video I'm going to show you how to connect the solar coil to your manifold system. So all we're going to do to get started is strip the webbing back on your collector, roughly 150 millimeters. Grab some silicone and apply it to both the inside and outside of the tubes. Just be careful of the overspray here. Now using the collars, make sure the shoulders to the towards the cut end. Just slide those ones on. Now push the tube onto the manifolds, leaving a small gap, maybe 3 millimeters gap. So now I'm going to push the collars onto the manifolds. I'm going to be using a tough tool, which makes the job a little bit easier, but you can use a pair of multi-grips or your fingers even.